Start out with, I'm going to apologize up front about my clearing my throat. I take certain medicines that are prescribed that cause me to have a lot of phlegm, and then that means I have to clear my throat a lot. And to those of you who that bothers, well, I understand. I got my trial copy of Pro 2020 open, and I just created a box, and it automatically created a roof. Now, since I'm going to be doing addressing stairs, I'm going to go ahead and build a second floor. Let's see, it's built floor. There we go. Building floor. Yep, we'll just do that, and it'll automatically build a roof on that. Oh, it's asking me what, I don't care what the ceiling height is. So when this dialog box opens, I'm just going to click OK. Now, 8 feet's fine. That's not important. Now I'm going to go toggle down to the first floor. And when you do stairs, see, over here, we've got stair, click stair. I'm just going to left click. It creates a stair. Now, to be realistic a little bit, I'm going to move this away so we have space here to mount the stairs, and then space at the top to get off the stairs. Now, you were asking about where's the stairwell tool, and it's in the edit toolbar. See, when you select a stair, you get an edit toolbar with an array of tools that are germane to what's selected. And this one here, I think, is the see it, auto stairwell, left click. What that does, if you have a second floor, if you don't have a second floor, it does nothing. But if you put the stairs in a reasonable location, it'll create, a railing and cut a hole in the floor. Let me move through the wall here. There we go. See? Okay. That's pretty straightforward. I'm going to go down to the first floor, and let's open the dialog box on the stair, and the riser is 6 3/4. Now, how can I make this 7.75 like the Home Talk user asked about? Well, the way you do it, it's not going to automatically do that, so you have to uncheck automatic heights and automatic treads. Now, most of my tread depths are 11 inches, so I'm going to lock in 11 inches. But that may be arbitrary, may make it hard to get riser height. But let's just try this. I'm going to put in 7.75 and hit the tab key. And wow, was that difficult? It was not difficult. That was a joke. I'm going to do a cross section through the stair. And okay, now when I did that, see, it shoved the stair. It's still okay up here, but it shoved into the floor. So you can't just, okay. So it looks like to me, we need to take off 2 treads, and we'd be about right. So I'm going to go over here to open the dialog box. Apparently you want 7 3/4, fine. So I'm going to take the 2 treads off, changing this from 17 to 15. Hit the tab key. Okay, that changed the, see, since automatic heights and I've got the tread depth, kind of locked, then, okay, let's see what, I'm going to go up to the second floor, find out what the floor is. Floor is 121 3/4. And it's not, top height here is slightly higher than that. I'm going to put actually be 121.75 minus 7 inches. You want the top tread 7 inches below the floor level, above, with the tab key. And I want the bottom height. See, that's below the floor. I want that bottom height is 0. I think I do. Let's check it in the camera. Yeah, that's perfect. Well, it's a little low up here. And that's, okay, let's go 7 3/4. Tab key. And the bottom's still 0. That's a little higher, but I think we needed it a little higher. Let's check it in the, okay, that's perfect. So that's how you do that. You jockey between, I'm no carpenter, okay? I've just dealt with this, I've never built a stairs in my life, but I've built lots of virtual stairs with this tool, and I know how it operates. If you want to get exact values, you have to uncheck the automatic wingings on it, and then using your common sense, you set the bottom height at 0 and the top height about 7 inches below the floor, about. And then you check it in an elevation camera to make sure that it's what you know. Nobody's going to walk down these stairs in this virtual model. Nobody. I'm not going to become a virtual being with a virtual body and walk those stairs. So as a designer, I always just want to make sure that I've allowed enough room for a real carpenter to build the stairs that people can walk on, that will pass code, and that are not dangerous to walk on. So that's my 2 cents worth, and that's what I can show you about the Stair Dialog. Thank you. Hope you have a good day. Hope this helps some people. Let's live happily ever after, okay? Thank you.